Alright, hi everyone! So today I want to talk about classifying numbers and some sets of numbers that we will commonly see throughout this course, throughout classes, throughout mathematics. Alright, so first things first, I've created this Venn diagram, or this chart, showing you, like Russian dolls, alright? So I have something inside of I have naturals inside of wholes, and then I have wholes inside of integers, and then integers inside of rationals, okay? So at the innermost circle of our chart, we have the natural numbers. So natural numbers, they are our counting numbers. Basically, they include counting numbers. So how do you count? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you go on and on and on and on up until infinity. Alright, so those are natural numbers. Think of them as counting numbers. Then we have whole numbers after natural numbers. Now what makes whole numbers different than natural numbers? It's just the addition of 0. Okay, so it's all the natural numbers with 0. That's the only difference between whole and natural. So whole would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And on and on and on until infinity. And then next we have the integers set of real numbers. So integers are, at this point, you could guess that they are all the whole numbers, right? Because it's on top of the whole. Right? So if I broke integers open, broke the egg of integers open because they kind of look like eggs, then you would get all these whole numbers and natural numbers. So again, whole numbers were all the natural numbers anyways. So it would be, except the only difference now is that you have all the whole numbers, which are all the positive numbers, with all the negative numbers. So it could be from -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, right? So I just added in all the negative numbers and they go on forever, all right? I started from the left because negative numbers, they start on the left on the number line, and then they go to negative infinity, not positive infinity, all right? Okay, so now if we were to break the egg open from integers, or actually the egg open at rationals, what do you think we'd get? We would get all the integers, all the whole numbers, and all the natural numbers at this point. So the rationals would be everything that are not whole numbers or anything that's not an integer, but with the addition of basically fractions, such as if you're looking at repeating decimals, okay, so you could have 0.33333 repeating, 0.66666 repeating, and then you could have 1/2 or 1/4, all right? So these are fractions and terminating decimals. Terminating means that the decimal ends, so it could be 0.825. You could be looking at a decimal like that. So these are what rationals are. So rationals are everything that includes of integers. Integers are everything that includes of the whole numbers and the negatives. Whole numbers are everything that the naturals have, but with the addition of 0.